Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video with my kitty that is right now really being a cat. So yeah, I don't know what to do, but let's look through. Let's do something, kitty cat. What do you want to do? Play a game? Yeah, okay. Let's play dancing line. Play dancing line. On my phone. With my cat. She's like, how dare you put me in a video? She'll get over it. This dancing line isn't really cooperating. Let's look through some wishbones, okay? Yeah, do you want to look through my wishbones? Yeah. I want to make fun of them. Yeah. Kitty, look at the camera. Good girl. It was like, how dare you make me go through this? She's okay. Sorry about that. Let me get more in the video. Man is getting all the attention. I had to fall over. Here we go. So now we can look through my wishbones. Okay, I guess nothing is working, so bye guys, hope you guys this video. I'm just gonna call it video with my cat.